Okay, so today is going to be my top box versus top box. So if you want to see what I got in my top boxes, then obviously keep watching this video. If you guys are new, welcome to my channel. And if you guys are not new, welcome back to my channel. And thanks for joining us. If you guys have not already, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to make sure you're getting all the notifications of my upcoming videos. If you are wondering about my interesting looking makeup, then there's a video coming up on me using my Project Pan makeup and the importance of certain things being put into your Project Pan, so please ignore some of this. Also, if you notice as I'm talking, this right here in my mouth, it is not a piece of chewing gum. I had some dental surgery. I had a gum graft and my dentist told me to keep it in as long as possible, so it's been about 2 weeks now. So I'm not talking with a weird voice anymore. It's a little bit more manageable to talk with, but I have to keep it in as long as possible, so it is not some random weird something in my mouth. It is actually something that has to be in there. Alright, so enough blabbering. Let's get on to my top box versus top box. So I think I'm going to open the big one first. This one has my name on it, so I do know that I got a preview box for this one. I don't know what's in it because I did pick 2 or 3 different items this time, so I wasn't sure. So let's just open it up and see what's in here. Oh, I have a bunch of... These things just fell out. Okay. Although I really appreciate the fact that this stuff is recyclable because it's paper, I don't appreciate the fact that they gave me this size of a box for this. I have a smaller box. This could have fit in here. So this is my preview box, obviously. So this one is a NARS concealer. So I remember picking this and I'm happy that this one came in. This is a full size concealer. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and this is in Biscuit, which is actually great color for my skin tone. I'm just going to do a teeny bit of a swatch here. This is a great color for when I'm on the tanned side for me. It just blends really good into my skin tone, and I love to wear this concealer when I am not wearing like a full face of makeup. So like when I just go out for the day and I'm not doing like the whole shebang and stuff, this is one of the colors that I go and put on my face and just put a bit of powder over top. So that is super exciting. I do know in Canada this sells for about $25 to $30. So not bad for the price of $13. So then there is this one, and this obviously is the regular one. So this is what it looks like in here, and let's just take a look at what is in here. There's 4 items in here. This is what it looks like. Everything's, oh, let's start with what's falling out. So this is, I don't see a brand on here unless it's actually, oh, this is Boris. Bonjour. Bonjour. I think it says Bonjour. So this is the Rouge Velvet, and it's the lipstick. Rouge Velvet is the actual name of it. So this is definitely a full-size product. This is what the color looks like, and it's kind of in a weird teardrop angle for a lipstick, but that's kind of cool. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's definitely creamy. That is nice. So that is the color there. That's really nice. I kind of enjoy that. I definitely think I'm going to use that one. That's really pretty. In here, this is from the Delectable. This is a very tiny product, and this is Everything Balm. Oh, it's a lip balm. So it says all over, it plumps, it for pouts. I really don't think that this is a lip balm, but I think it's technically called an everything balm because it's for everything. It literally says on here that it plumps, it seals split ends, it softens lips, it tames brows, it conditions cuticles, it pops highlight cheekbones, brightens it says dark circles and something, it helps dryness. I'm going to have to Google this and see what the heck actually it's for. I think it's supposed to be for everything, which I don't really know if I will use this for everything. So I'm going to put a little sample just kind of on my arm here, just because I've got some concealer and stuff in here. So that is what it looks like. It smells, well, it smells okay. When you rub it in, it kind of has a very weird, it kind of feels like a lip gloss, but it kind of dries down a little bit, so that's kind of interesting. Okay, so up next, there is the Pure Lees. I love this brand. They give us quite a bit of this brand in our top boxes, which is pretty cool. This is the Coconut Coffee Sugar Body Scrub. Ooh-wee. I'm excited for this. Okay, so that is like the size of it. And if I push it out like this, it looks like it's got coffee beans in it. Cool. So I'm excited to try that. It soothes and exfoliates, and it helps moisturize skin. And then it says it's all for all types, so that isn't bad. This is 0.7 ounces, so that's not too bad. And then the last thing in here is this here, and it's in a little box. So this says Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics, so yeah, must be the name of the brand. All it says is it's terracotta, which I guess is the name of it. Oh, so Dirty Little Secrets. This is a bronzer, and the name must be terracotta. So that's what it looks like. This might be a little light for me. Oh gosh, it is not. I did a swipe and a bunch of stuff came off already. Okay, so that is what it's looking like on my finger. It kind of is a bit powdery. Where am I gonna put this? Oh, I'll just put, it's all over my arm. Okay, let's just do a swatch. Well, right here. Okay, it's not too bad. It looks a bit patchy, but I'm sure it's blendable. Okay, it's not too bad. I'm gonna give it a go, but I don't have too much high hopes for this one. So out of the two boxes, which one I find better is definitely this one. I absolutely love NARS concealer, so I have to say hands down the NARS box with my Privy box is definitely the better box out of the two. Well, that was everything in this top box versus top box. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!